Recently, I bought a beautiful houseplant that was starting to get too big for its container. Today, we're going to design and make a simple contemporary planter with a PRUSA 3D printer. To design this project, I used a software called Rhinoceros and came up with a simple process. I started by drawing two circles. One was roughly 4 inches and the next one was 6 inches. I moved the larger circle vertically up 2 inches and copied the 4-inch circle up 6 inches. This creates a simple and beautiful curved shape when you loft them together. To create a cutout at the top, I drew a 6-inch sphere and moved it around within the planter. The goal was to cut the sphere out using the Boolean difference function and create a rising edge towards a high point at the back and a low point at the front. I offset the surface to give the final design a 16th inch thickness. Then, I designed a simple drip tray that follows the same shape as the bottom layer. Once the model was imported into PRUSA's slicing software, I decided to go with a speed setting that resulted in over 12 hours of printing for the planter and 3 hours for the base. I plugged the SD card into my PRUSA 3D printer and started the printing process. Once the print was complete, I removed the planter from the metal sheet and placed it on my table. I reinstalled the metal sheet and started printing the drip tray. With the prints complete, I add soil to the contemporary planter and fill it about 75% of the way. I carefully removed the plant, which was tightly installed with a plastic planter inside of the ceramic one. I loosened up its roots, transferred its soil, and transplanted it into the contemporary planter. I liked the green-colored fluff that was placed on top of the soil, so I placed it over the soil in the plant's new home. Now, the contemporary planter and drip tray is complete and the plant is ready to be moved to its new location on my dining room table. If you enjoyed this video and have an idea for another project, comment and let me know what I should make next. I'll see you again next week.